Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center. Today we will learn lesson 52 and lesson 54. Where do they, what nationality? Okay, sağda işləyəşimizdə. Bizdeki aldığın dərsimizdeki 52 dərs qılıb qalğan. Şunama? Hem de 52 dərslə 54 dərsinki hem de şu məzmun cəhətdən bir qədər bağlanışlıq, yaxın bolğanlıq tüpəyildən hem de bu iki dərsini bırakılan sizlərə sözləb verməkçi. Andaqda qarаңlar, avvalımı şu bir yeni sözlərini bilib şağıla. Countries and nationalities. Okay. Hem de bugünkü dersimizde şu dövlətlə, hem de şunun dövlət təvəllikini bir öyrənib çıxmaqçı. Mesela yeni sözlər qarаңlar. Okay, look, it's America, right? Hem de bu Amerika. Amerika'nın demesi America. America. Yakın mesela demeli sana USA işte ama bunun kısaltılması demek ki United States of America. Hem de bunun süper şekli Amerikalık yakın nationality olsa American. So where do they come from? Okay, where do they come from? They come from America or they come from USA. The USA, right? And what nationality are they? Allah kayıs devletlik desen, they are American. Right? They are American. America? American. Okay, and the next one is where it's England. You know, they are English, right? And the bottom, England. England. Demek bu Great Britain. Bu Britanya'nınki bir mühim olan devleti demek England. England kumandası hep anlayan buluşum mümkün. Şunu ama hem de bu İngilizcelik olsa English. What nationality are they? They are English. Qarаңlar. Bu big hambalları ölenken bu hem de London Bridge. Degendek. Okay, next one. Wow, where? Which country is it? You know, it's Japan. What nationality are they? They are Japanese. Right? You know, they are Japanese people. Okay, and the Japonya degende Japan, Japonyalik bolsa Japanese. Japanese. All right, where? Do you know which place? Do you know which place it is? You know, it's Australia. Australia. Australia, Australia. And the Australialik bolsa Australian. Such as Australian student and an Australian car. Okay? Australian. Wow, where is it? It's Italy. Italy. İtalya. Şuna ama İtalya ne? Italy. Hem de İtalyalık bu şu Italian. Ama şu İtalyan'a vayda Rome. Şuna ama Italian. It is Italian. Wow, where is it? It's Holland, right? Gollandiya. İntayın gül devletine ait. Güzel devlet. Holland. And bu Dutch. Ilgari Go Dutch. Mesela tang çıkaraylı degende Go Dutch da bugün şuna ama. Okay, Holland. And bu devletin nimdeyimiz sanla Holland. Okay, Holland. And bir erkeğin nimeydi sanla Dutch. Dutch. Gollandiyalık. Okay, Paris. Right? It's France. And Fransa degende devlet namı ne? France. Fransa. And Fransalık bu şu French. And the most special, what nationality? Okay, what nationality is he? He's French. Good, this is Spain. Bu sokaştırışın ama bu İspanya'nın ama bu Spain, Spanish. Spain, Spanish. Wow, Russia. Russia. Russia, Здравствуйте, right? It's a Russian. Bu Rusya'nınki. Russian. Russia. Russian. What about Korea? Korea, it's food from Korea, right? And if you know people from Korea, we can call Korean. Like Korean food, Korean, what? A Korean girl. Good. Next one is Brazil. Okay, Brazil. Brazil dediğimiz demek Brasilia. Brasilia. Bunun Brazilian dediğimiz Brasilialık. Brazilian. Brasilialık. Hem de şu Brazilian değil mi? Brazilia'nın Brazilialık. Brazilian. Brazil, Brazilian. Okay, next one is Norway. Norway. Hadi bu Norway dediğimiz ne? Sanla Norway. İşte ama Norway. It's Norwegian. Norvegialık. Keyingisi Sweden, Shvetsiya. Ko'rdingizmi? Bu Shvetsiyaniki davlat bayrog'i. Nima? Buni Swedish. Ilgari o'rganib chiqqan. Nima? Birisi Austria. Austria degan Yevropaning davlati. Australia bilan o'xshamaydi. Mana Austria. And Austrian degan shu Austriyalik. Austria, Austrian. Canada, Canadian. Okay. Canada. Nima? Yana birisi Canadian. Good. This one is Finland. Nokia'nın yurti nima? Nokia'si bilan bog'lab qo'yamda. Keyin vayron bo'ldi bu shirkat. Bu nima? Finland. And the Finlandiyalik bo'lsa Finnish. Okay, what about this? This one is India, right? It's Indian. Okay, I'm sure Hindustan. India, Indian. That one is Poland, Polish. And the Polshash, Poland, Polish. Next one is Thailand. Thailand, Thai, Thailandlik bo'lsin bo'lur, Thai. What about this Nigeria? Okay, that one is Nigeria. Is Nigerian. Okay, and who's this? This one is, Prime Minister of the Turkey, right? He is Turkish, and the Turkiyaning bo'lsa Turkish. Turkiya bo'lsa Turkey, Turkish. Get. Next one is America. Bo'lsa American. Okay, England, English. Japan, Japanese. France, French. Okay, Spain, Spanish. Australia, Australian. Okay, Italy, Italian. Right? Holland, Dutch. Good. Russia, Russian. Korea, Korean. Okay, Brazil, Brazilian. Good. Norway, Norwegian. Okay, Sweden, Swedish. Canada, Canadian. Australia, Austrian. Austria, Austrian. Good. And Finland, Finnish. India, Hindustan, India, Indian. Good. Thailand, Thai. Okay, Poland, Polish. Nigeria, Nigerian. Okay, Turkey, Turkish. Demek hamda bir ara devletning nomlari hamda yana sanalab devlet tabaligi. So let's practice. Practice makes perfect.